Today we're going to be working in lesson 25-2. It's on page 376. We're going to be multiplying binomials again. So you can choose to either use the box method or the distributive property, also known as FOIL. So we're just going to do a lot of extra practice here, and I want you to take time to pause the video and do these questions on your own before I go through the answers with you. So pause, and you're going to do 1A, B, C, and D. Draw out your box or think about FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. Go for it. So it doesn't matter, remember, where we put the x plus 1 and the x minus 1. Then remember that our diagonals are like terms here. I have 1x minus 1x. So if I have $1 and I spend $1, I have nothing left. So those things cancel each other out. And my answer here is just x squared minus 1. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4. 4 times x. 4 times negative 4. Negative 4x plus 4x. Those cancel each other out, and it's gone, and I don't even have to write that middle term. So we just get x squared minus 16. X times x. X times 7. Negative 7 times x. Negative 7 times negative 7. These right here are like terms. If we have $7 and we spend $7, they cancel each other out. And we're just left with x squared minus 49. Two x minus 3, 2x positive 3. It doesn't matter if you put those on the top or the sides. What does matter, though, is that these set of parentheses go together and the second set of parentheses go together. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. Negative 6x, positive 6x, and negative 9. On my diagonals, I have my x's, and those are my like terms. 6 minus 6 is 0. Those cancel each other out. And I'm left with 4x squared minus 9. On the top of the next page, you're going to see question 4. If you don't have enough room, make sure to use the My Notes section of your book, or you can just use a scrap piece of paper or a line paper. But I want you to pause, and I want you to spend time working through questions A through H. This is the only thing that we're doing today. Okay, so take the time, work through A through H. You can do it. Remember that we have to write these out twice. And And then you can use the box method or you can FOIL, whatever you prefer. I'm going to write this in standard form. Combine your like terms. Be careful with your signs when you're solving these. Negative x times negative x is a positive x squared. And then I'm going to write it in standard form, so my x squared comes first, then negative 8x, then the positive 16. It's important that you use whatever method works best for you. If you want to use the box method every time, that's fine. If you want to use FOIL every time, that's fine. And if you want to switch back and forth, that's totally okay as well. So check your answers and then make sure that you're submitting pictures of your work for these questions.